new mat for the garage. Kids got me it for Christmas. Luckily all the dirty work's finished with now, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, it's been Christmas, so I've had a few days off, chilling out, eating turkey endlessly and seeing family and everything. But I did get out over the last couple of days, and look at that, it's done. A few little jobs to finish. Side panels all on there, tanks on there. A few, where is it? As I said, there was a couple of little marks on the tank, barely noticeable. You've got to really get it in the light, which I don't even think the camera is going to pick up. No. Yeah, it's all done. Just giving it a bit of a wipe over because it was dusty. But yeah, well happy. A few little jobs to finish. Gleaming, absolutely gleaming. Just got to make sure it stays like that. There was you know, that little part I said I lost, and I found it. Lost it again. It's somewhere in here. It just holds the speedo cable in place, stops it slapping against the mudguard. So I've got to find that. Still want to sort this exhaust out, but it's well close there. It's not good enough for me. That side's got quite a bit of a gap, so I need to have a look at that. The brackets are pretty feeble. I think I'm going to have to swivel the link pipe round a little bit and just bring it out just a touch. There's a little bit of buggering about, but you know, I mean, that clears. You know, it does miss. I've tried it with a suspension. I could leave it like that, but I want to make sure it's okay. But look at that paint, that absolutely beautiful. Seats all looking lovely. Those of polished stainless covers, a little bit of, I don't know if I remember telling you about that, but a little bit of blue vinyl wrap behind it, just to add those little blue highlights in. But man, I'm so happy. That'll make me even happier if the bloody sun came out and it wasn't chucking it with rain. Yeah, it's a little bit wet, but she's done. Got that cable to fit once I find that odd little bracket, and tweak that exhaust. It needs fuel. The tank's totally empty, but I'll take the fuel can up to the garage and get some fuel maybe in a week or so, once the bank account's recovered from Christmas a little bit. But yeah, that's her. So it might be a little while until the next update. I want to wait till a nice sunny day and sort of wheel it outside into the daylight and get it running and get all the tick over set up so it's bang on where I want it to be. There's some little bits of dust already on it. I've got that big sheet in the garage at the moment that's being washed, so I can cover it over. But yeah, probably the nicest bike I've ever done. I mean, this has been a bit more of a project as well. It's been a while since I've sort of ripped a bike apart and done a full-on sort of polish, well, project kind of bike, so to see it all sort of turn out nicely, yeah, I'm well happy. Absolutely over the moon. Well, that didn't go to plan. Back to the drawing board. Won't start. I don't know why. I really don't know why. It's getting fuel, sort of spark. Don't care. So I'm a total loss for words of what's the salt on it. So I've got a mate coming around this afternoon. Hopefully between us we can fathom out what's going on. It started after I'd done all the shims, filled it with fresh oil. It started pretty okay. And I put the tank on. That was it. I've taken the tank back off and now it won't start at all, so it turns over, getting spark, it's got fuel. Don't know. So I shall persevere. I'm not going to give up on it, and yeah, we shall see what happens, I suppose. One little bit of good news though. Remember I said I'd lost that and then found it and then lost it again? That's back on there now. Soaked it in a bit of hot water. A bit dark in here. There you go, that's the speedo cable all in position. Nice little rubber bit, just a bit of boiling water, left it in there for a couple of minutes, and then it was nice and soft and supple, and got it all done. What's going on with this bike, man? The only thing I can think I did different is when I ran it after doing all the shims, I didn't put that on. I put the bodywork on, put that on, and it didn't work. It's going to be something really stupid, isn't it? Oh, hang on. Cool. What calls? Let me double check. I think I might put the calls on them. Did I? 4. Is it a 2 or 3? Ooh, I could have sussed it. No, that was a bit of wishful thinking. I thought I'd put, because the writing's a bit smeared, I thought I'd put coil number 2 in coil number 3. So it's 4, which goes to the left. That's 4 and 1. And the other coil does so it's number 1, yeah, 1 and 3, and that coil there does 4 1, 2, that's number 3, that's number 4. I don't know what I'm doing. It's so close to being done. Don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'll fathom it. I'll fathom it. It's all good fun, isn't it? Success. We got it running. It's not running now because I've got it all covered up. It's just been waxed. But don't really know what we did there. Took the carbs off. All the jets look clean. put them back on again when it started. That was yesterday. I left it overnight, started it again this morning. Sorry, I'm fogging the camera up there. Started it again this morning, and doesn't start right on the button, but it started better than it has for the last, how long it's been on the road. What was that, June, July last year? Started better than it ever has. So I think with a bit of regular use, once the spring kicks in, it'll be cooking on gas. So we're sorted. I'll do one more little update once the weather's nice. I think it's dry over the weekend, so I might actually get to sort of wheel it outside and have a little play up and down the road on it. Just have to see if it rains. I've got to do boring housework now, but yeah, we'll get a little video once it's all sort of up and running, and that's it. It's done. Woo. A little bit now. I say, just sort that exhaust out. I've got to turn this place upside down and try and find that little bracket. Don't know where it went. I know I had it in one of those last videos, and I've put it somewhere safe. I don't know where that is, so I need to get that on, and then I can put the brand new speedo cable on. And then yeah, we're pretty much done. We've got to wait till spring then, which could be ages. I mean, south of England in the new year, that's when we tend to get all our freezing temperatures and snow and all that sort of stuff. So it could be a long time. But yeah, I'm well happy. I can't stop sitting there looking at it, really. Lovely. Right, that'll do for now.